Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this video is on the best TIG welders. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, YESWELDER 200A AC/DC Aluminum TIG Welder. Many believe aluminum welding is complex and unreliable. As a certified welding instructor, I see this misconception daily. The real issue? Outdated machines lacking precision and versatility. Introducing the YESWELDER TIG225X AC/DC Pro. Its large LED display offers crystal clear parameter control. Easily adjust settings for perfect welds on any metal. Hot start and auto memory make operation effortless and consistent. Weighing just 16.47, it's portable for shop or field use. Delivering up to 200 amps, it tackles thick metals with ease. Enjoy reliable, spatter-free ignition with HF non-touch start. 6-in-1 functionality covers steel, aluminum, and stainless steel. AC/DC pulse TIG modes ensure clean, controlled aluminum welds. Connect a 5-pin foot pedal for even more precise control. See for yourself. Watch how it produces flawless welds every time. Upgrade your workshop with YESWELDER TIG225X AC/DC Pro today. Click below to order and experience professional results. Number 4, PRIMEWELD TIG225X 225 amp. Ever struggled with inconsistent welds or limited machines? I used to switch between welders for different metals. Frustrating! Then I found the PRIMEWELD TIG225X, and wow, total game changer. This welder handles aluminum, stainless, and even thin metals. It's got 225 amps of AC/DC TIG and stick welding power, pulse features, and cleaning control, all built right in. Switching from 110V to 220V is super simple, no hassle. The CK17 Flex Torch feels great and is made in the USA. Love the precise foot pedal, smooth hands-free heat control. Just set your amps and pulse, and you're ready to weld. Check out these clean beads on both aluminum and steel. No more burnt edges or messy finishes, just pro results. It's reliable thanks to advanced IGBT inverter tech. And if you need help, PRIMEWELD's US support is top-notch. If you want versatility and quality, this is the welder. Upgrade your welding, try the TIG225X and see the difference. Number 3, meet the ARCCAPTAIN TIG Welder 7-in-1 welding powerhouse. Weld like a pro with AC/DC TIG, pulse, stick, spot, 7 modes. Aluminum, steel, copper, this machine handles them all easily. Weld thickness? From a hair-thin 0.5mm to chunky 10mm. Large LED display, so clear even your grandma could weld. Adjust settings faster than you can say molten metal. A pulse square and triangular waves, no more burnt edges. Triangular wave, the secret sauce for thin metal perfection. Square wave, cleans aluminum like a robot with OCD. Digital controls, set pre-flow, slope, frequency, all with a tap. 2 spot torch controls, like cruise control for your welds. Weighs just 26.5 pounds, lighter than your toolbox lunch. Reliable MCU system, welds steady like a caffeine-fueled robot. 5-year support, because even superheroes need backup. ARCCAPTAIN, for pros who want precision, power, and portability. Ready to weld smarter, not harder. Choose ARCCAPTAIN today. Number 2, meet the Weldpro TIG Welder, the Swiss Army knife of welders. 6-in-1 welding power, TIG, stick, pulse, spot, AC, DC, like a buffet for metal. Dual voltage 110V or 220V. It's as flexible as your yoga instructor. Cranks out up to 200A, enough juice to weld a spaceship probably. Handles aluminum, magnesium, steel, copper, and more. No metal left behind. Large LED display, like having a billboard for your weld settings. Advanced digital controls. Customize everything but your playlist. Adjust, start amps, end amps, upslope, downslope, precision at your fingertips. Pulse TIG mode, the metronome for your molten metal masterpiece. Spot TIG reinforces joints faster than your morning coffee kicks in. Safety features prevent burn through and distortion. Your work stays pretty. Welds thin or thick materials. No job too big, no sheet too small. IP21 water resistance and overload protection, like armor for your welder. 3-year warranty, because even superheroes need backup. Perfect for pros, DIYers, and anyone who thinks sparks are beautiful. Weldpro TIG Welder, more versatile than your grandma's casserole. Number 1. Lincoln Electric Square Wave. Ever struggled with messy welds or clunky machines? I used to dread switching between TIG and stick welding. Heavy, complicated welders made my projects stressful. Then I found the Lincoln Electric Square Wave 205 TIG Welder. This compact powerhouse is all about precision and simplicity. Need a clean weld on aluminum? Adjust the AC frequency easily. Dirty material, AC balance helps you get perfect cleaning actions. Switching from TIG to stick? It's all in one machine. No more dragging multiple welders around the shop. It's just 36 pounds. Super easy to carry anywhere. Plug it into a 120V or 230Fi wherever you're working. Watch this, smooth controlled bead in seconds. The digital interface makes settings a breeze. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, it fits your workflow. Ready for cleaner, easier welding? Try the Square Wave 205. Check it out now and upgrade your welding game. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.